Hey, welcome back to another episode of Roadside Rescue. I'm Ernest, and we got a call out this morning. Well, we've got two things today, but this morning we're doing a call out for brakes. We got front and rear brakes and rotors going on this vehicle over here. This fellow went to a competitor and was overpriced a little bit on how much that would cost. So they contacted us looking for a better price, and we were able to do that by a good little bit. So he needs to get that done. He travels for work in his car. Pretty nice new car. So it's a Chrysler 200. I think it's a 2013. But yeah, those brakes are wearing out, making a lot of noise. And we double checked. They've got a lot of rust on the rotors and a little bit of wear pattern. So I recommended replacing the rotors, but left it up to him. I said he may be fine going without new rotors, but they just want to go ahead and get everything done. So, which was what I recommended. Regardless, we're going to get out here real quick and start doing those brakes. Shouldn't be too long, and just a normal brake job, so it'll be pretty fun and good little job for this morning. So we'll get out there and get those done. But you know, usually I'll get the VIN number for everybody's vehicle. In this case, the VIN doesn't specify what size rotors it has, so we went ahead and picked up all the different size rotors and pads that it could be. So we should be pretty safe, and we'll return what we don't use. All right, there we go. Pretty straightforward. Everything went together perfect. I think it was a bit less than 40 minutes as well, probably about 35 minutes. Once you do one, then you kind of get the groove on the other. You go to the rear, you figure that out real fast because you're on the same style car. You get to the other side and you go fast. So yeah, everything pretty fast. Went together well, no issues. So we got his brakes pumped before we drove off. That's always a must. And yeah, that's a successful job. So thanks for watching the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video at all, we'd really appreciate it. And as always, have a good day and peace out.